Talofa, I'm Peter Cordtz and I ran the workshop on building resilience with emergency savings. There's been a strong focus on building resilience to improve long-term outcomes for New Zealanders, but what does that mean and what will it take to achieve it? We know that consumer debt is crippling many of our most vulnerable communities, and our work in this area shows that reducing debt is often the highest priority. The first savings goal for many, long before home ownership or retirement, is creating a buffer to avoid repeating that debt cycle to deal with unexpected emergencies. While KiwiSaver is helping many of us prepare for retirement, for those consumed with the urgency of now, it's not the solution. Internationally, we've seen the emergence of rainy day savings products to provide a financial buffer alongside retirement savings. The appropriate thresholds for that buffer and the mechanics of those products needed discussion across a range of sectors in a New Zealand context. The financial services sector has a role to play, as do the agencies investing in support for those vulnerable groups, and the NGO sector providing services to those communities. Initiating that cross-sector discussion and agreeing next steps to make it happen was the key focus of the workshop on building resilience with emergency savings. Kia ora.
There's many conversations that need to be had across the board with all sorts of people, including those families and individuals who are struggling themselves, to see what their thinking is, and particularly maybe those who are success stories, who have been in challenging financial situations, including debt, and have managed to, I guess, achieve a win or success in getting themselves out of that situation. So some of that's around training and education. But the conversations need to be had across the country with all sorts of different people, because we have to find solutions collectively, together. No one person can do that.